back to my channel, and hello if you're new here, I'm Georgia. So today I wanted to take you through my ultimate spring reset. I just had the urge to just get my shit together. So this is the stuff that I usually do. As you can see next to me, we've got laundry to do. We want to be focusing on our mind, body, our home, everything. Like, I want to reset everything. And then I don't know if you can see in the background, we have some dishes to do, and I also have another load of laundry to do. I just had a shower and washed my hair. Before you saw, I did some movement. I did some of the Pilates class. I did like an abs and arms workout. I had a really good dirty chai this morning. My morning was a little crazy. I know that people say this all the time, like, oh, I had the craziest morning. No, I literally like went to park my car on my street and there was this guy like passed out and I had to call 911. And 30 minutes went by and I was like pacing up and down the street, and yeah, turns out it was just a nap. So I'm glad that he's okay, but it really scared me. So anyway, on a lighter note, I'm glad that everybody is healthy and okay. And then I could get my morning started. So let's get right into it. Like, let's do this together. Let's go through this whole spring reset routine. I've been loving playing these ambiance videos in the background. They're just from YouTube, like English spring garden ambiance is this one. It's got like bird song and it just really relaxes the nervous system. So I just put that on the TV. It also helps me not play anything else on the TV and get distracted by vlogs and all the other things like ASMR and all of that. So I just thought I'd share this account. I think it's seasonal ambiance. Just got done with the kitchen. There's nothing like a clear space for a clear mind. Like, we really did that. We've just got a few things drying over there that I'll put away later, but everything's sprayed and wiped down and put away back into its place. So much happier now. Oh, and I also have my Kindle charging over there. That's not usually there. I just put the laundry away in the dryer, took out Jason's laundry from before, and then cleaned that kitchen. It feels so much better to have a clear space for a clear mind. Okay, it's dinner time, so we're gonna make some burgers. Jason got back from the store with the ingredients, so we're gonna do some of the Alexia waffle cut seasoned fries. So we just got some burger patties, and then I like to use a lined sheet pan, and then we cook them on broil. I think it's only like 7 or 11 minutes on each side. I freaking love waffle fries. Okay, and then it says preheat oven to 425. I'm obsessed with this little toaster oven air fryer. Just pop this in, and then it's so easy. It literally has like 12 different settings. So now I've just put these in on broil at 500 Fahrenheit. I saw this hack on TikTok. If you open each end of the carton and then you put this up on the shelf, and then you can just keep pushing it through and they'll literally slide out of the other end and onto your shelf. Also, Risa sent me a bunch of these mood drinks, and they're kind of like a wine replacement. Something to relax you at the end of the night. I've got grapefruit, tangerine, lime, citrus. Oh, and there's one raspberry lemonade left at the back. I already had all of the rosé ones as well. Those were so good. Let's crack this open. Cheers. It's so good. I'm obsessed with this raspberry lemon. It says that it has magnesium L-threonate, a form of magnesium for the brain, adaptogens, L-theanine, and lemon balm to help maintain balance. I was pretty skeptical because I'm like quite a high like stress in the body, like anxious person. And I honestly noticed the difference with this, which I'm just surprised that they work. I'm reading, if you really want to know, The Ritual, because I saw that it was really messed up. And I picked it up thinking, surely, like, I'm not gonna read it if it's that crazy. No, it's crazy, and I'm still reading it. So I'm honestly not even gonna recommend this. Like, just ignore that I'm reading this. Please comment down below if you want me to continue talking about it. Let's do a what's in my bag pig edition. Like, what? Why is there so much stuff in this bag? Like, what is this? A receipt? More receipts. What in the hell? A lip balm that is empty. Put the cash back in there. Hi guys, so we're running into TJ Maxx and then I think we're going to do a Target run because we just need to pick up a few things. I need a few things for organizing, if they have any. And then we're going on vacation in like 3 weeks to Hawaii. So I'm going to see if they have any like summer vacation things that just speak to us, you know? So let's go. So that TJ Maxx, just nothing that we need. We got some pillows because we do need some more of those. Now we're on to Target and I can't believe it. Jason just said, oh, do you mind if we go past Barnes & Nobles when we're done? Yes, always yes. I was actually looking at these online. I don't know if they're comfy. So many scents. Oh, I'm getting a call. Oh, it's time up.
Oh, look at your hair. Que bella.
Oh, thank you. You're actually on the vlog.
Anyway.
Okay, just got off the phone with mum and I just started opening this package. Pink means it is the cutest MEJ clip that I've been obsessed with. I've seen this all over Instagram and I can't wait to wear this on vacation in a few weeks. Oh my gosh, let's look at this packaging. So cute. I love how they have this like little holder for the receipt, the invoice. Okay, let's open this up. Look at that. So cute. Oh my gosh, should we try it on? Now we're gonna heat up the burgers that we had for dinner last night. And I'm really feeling like watching a movie. Like Pirates of the Caribbean. There's nothing like a childhood movie to watch on the weekend. I just saw that it says I can rent the movie for 4 cents because I've been clicking Amazon Prime delivery day and then it gives me these digital rewards, and so I guess they're applied. That's awesome. I mean, it would have been $3.79, but you know, I'll take what I can get. Hi guys, happy Sunday. I'm just in the car. I'm waiting to pick up my friend Catherine and we're meeting up with Marissa because we have like a little book club. We're going to this place called Errands Bakery because I saw that they had vegan cream cheese on their bagels, so I'm really excited for that. Oh, and I see Catherine coming now. So I just got back from brunch and we're always together for like 4 hours. Like, we can talk, me and my book club girls. We say it's book club, but like, what percentage are we talking about the books? I am a little drowsy though now because it's that time of the month. Just hit me while I was with them. So now I'm just like, oh, I want to make my home environment like just really cozy and calm and like rest for the rest of the day. What I do need to do though to like keep going with the spring reset is clean the sheets.